You ever been in dire need of the perfect self-care day? I'm talking, you gotta do your hair, makeup, and outfit just to remind yourself you still got it. I seized the perfect opportunity. The temperature was warm, the breeze was cool, the sun was beaming. And so this hair was the perfect focal point for the vision I had for myself of that sultry, glamorous, seductive look. And of course, this unit is from none other than WowAfrican. They sent over this unit that is pure perfection, from the clear lace to the pre-bleached knots and the pre-plucked hairline. There was minimal customization that I actually had to do. So they did their thing. With this type of unit, I was actually able to nurture myself, pour into myself, sip on my chlorophyll water. I have the exact chlorophyll I take in the description box, but I even did a few new tricks like adding wax to the hairline. And of course, with my favorite hot comb, we have to slick her down. But that just lets me know when everything in the universe is working together, that clearly means that this is what I need to do so that I can pour into myself. And I know, sometimes we get so caught up in trying to be consistent. We get so busy, we neglect ourselves. And in 2021, there is absolutely no space for that. So I'm always going to be intentional about making time for me. And I want you guys to do the same. Oh, and just to let you know, WowAfrican offers a discount code of $15 if you use the code PINK. So save some coins, sis. So you guys know I'm in love with curls. I feel like it's a great, easy way to achieve a more voluminous look. And granted, this is a silky, sleek 20-inch straight unit with, the nice, gorgeous blonde bombshell highlights. But we can take it up a notch. And I'm just trying to get better at curling hair, to be honest with you. So I went in with my curling wand and curled away from the face. Just got to put that out there. And I used my favorite mini hardhead spray to set the curls when I pin them. Again, if you don't have the mini hardhead spray, you need to go get it. Because I'm telling you, when you walk past someone and they get a whiff of the aroma that is just flowing off of your hair, sis. Okay, we trying to break necks, okay, this summer. And it's not a hard task, okay, because we do that naturally, but still. I'm telling you guys, some of my favorite products, I always share them because they're just that good. Now, tinting the lace is super important. I didn't want to go too in depth because I have so many videos on how you guys can go learn how to install your units. I just did a pluck and sip, which I'll have in the card section where you guys could check it out. But because this lace is clear, it's transparent. It's it blends seamlessly with my skin. Even when I'm trimming the lace, I'm taken aback. This Ebon New York Lace Bond Spray is perfect because this particular unit, the hairline actually covered my natural hairline. None of my hair was left out. It just worked. But for this install, it was everything I needed. Everything just worked. But can we talk about the melt? Because I told y'all, I had a moment, okay? We had a coming to Jesus moment, a praise break, if you will. This lace, it was speaking to me, okay? Adult swoops all day, every day, just super simple. I wanted it to complement the look. Again, we took that hairline to an entirely new level. It looks good, so I just didn't want to overdo it. And when I got my makeup together, okay, I started feeling myself. If you guys want details on the makeup, check the card section. I used the Pat McGrath foundation. I've been raving about it. You guys need to tune into that tutorial because I always get questions about this look. So I just used a lighter pressed powder on my eyes just to keep it as neutral as possible. And once I've taken the bulk of the double prong clips down, I like to go in with a large paddle brush. And I typically like to brush away from my face, kind of twirling the hair in the direction of the curl. And I wanted to show you guys briefly how I use these hair thinning combs to just add subtle, soft layers. So again, I go in with a paddle brush, and right around the area of my cheekbone, I went in with the hair thinning comb just to start dragging it down the length of the hair because this creates layers. I always use a section at the front as a guide, and because this is face framing highlights, it's a lot easier and the hair just lays a lot better. I already know I'm gonna come through and do a live where you guys can see me transform a long unit to a shorter shoulder length bob, so you guys get more comfortable with, you know, cutting hair. But drop down in the description box and get these hair thinning combs because they're everything for beginners. And now to repeat, I like to take one side and use my paddle brush and brush away from my face. And then I'm going in with the hair thinning comb just at the base of my cheekbone and dragging it downward. And we're not taking off a huge amount of length, we're creating layers. And I like to use that first section as a guide. They could be cohesive, again, always using the front piece as the shortest section. And then as you move towards the back of your unit, you're gonna be keeping the comb a little bit lower because you don't wanna take off too much length and you just wanna create uniform layers. This look came together. Layering it made it just so much better. Now, the only thing I will say, when I did wear this, it looked absolutely gorgeous, but the curls definitely fell at the end of the day. But it was a super long day. I went out, girl, I did everything. It was just a fun day. I had dinner. It was so bomb. But again, a gorgeous look nonetheless. And again, if you're struggling on how to make layers, how to cut your units, please stay tuned, turn your post notifications on, subscribe, share this video with your homeboys and your homegirls, okay? And don't forget to pour into yourself. Show yourself love, nurture yourself, be kind to yourself. But like I said, the lace on this is it's transparent, it's clear, it's like everything. The blend is ridiculous. It's giving Scalpiana. I mean, that's what we do over here. Scalpiana teas, okay? Adult swoops and Scalpiana. I like a meltdown that looks so realistic. You might do a double take because you think it's mine. But how are we feeling about this look, okay? I think I'm gonna have to do a full get ready with me, like hair, makeup, affirmations, and outfits. And, you know, give you guys a glimpse of, you know, how I look when I'm moving through, because I put it together, honey. But yes, if you're new, be sure to subscribe. If you're an oldie but a goodie, you should meet me in the comments, kiki with me, and let me know if you're new as well, because I love to give you guys a nice warm welcome. Check out WowAfrican. Use the code PINK for $15 off your purchase. Do not play.